Hello. Today we're going to learn how to consider the direction of the sun when placing a wall opening. Upon opening a project, the compass rose is found on the grid, right here. By default, north points to the top of the plan. Make sure you are on the terrain level to change the orientation of the lot. Please note, you can change the compass direction on any level. Left click on the compass to move it around. To rotate the directions, move the arrow or adjust it in the right panel. The size can also be changed to fit the plan. Please note, the size and position of the compass may be different when switched to the ground level. Here is a compass with an 11-inch dimension on the terrain level for the site plan. But here, the compass is 7 inches on the ground floor. Once it is in place, go to the wall opening step. Click on the surface table at the bottom left. A more detailed compass appears at the bottom of the project surface areas. This shows a percentage of the total glazed area of each direction. Now, in the plan step, you can choose to show or hide the compass on each level. Go to the surface table to show the compass orientation information of the glazed areas. Click on the surface table. At the bottom, check the directions of the glazed areas. The information from the surface table is present on the project information page. That's it. Now is your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided. Our team is always available to help.